I want to start a lithium battery recycling business, but I don't need a big plant. Do you have a small capacity solution? This is one of the most common questions we receive from new battery recyclers. And the answer is yes. For customers who are just entering the lithium battery recycling industry, our 100 kg/h lithium battery recycling line can be a practical starting point. It requires a smaller investment, takes up less space, and allows you to begin processing different types of battery scrap, including 18,650 cylindrical batteries and other lithium battery materials. However, there is something important you should know before making a decision. A smaller capacity line also has its limitations. Because of the lower processing capacity, the equipment configuration is more compact compared with our standard 1 ton per hour lithium battery recycling plant. This means the recovery rate and separation performance may not reach the same level as a larger industrial system. For example, a 1 TPH system can be equipped with more complete separation processes, helping achieve better material separation and higher output quality. So which one should you choose? If you are just starting your recycling business, have a limited amount of battery scrap, and your requirements for recovery rate and material purity are not extremely strict, a 100 kg/h recycling line can be a good choice. But if you already have a stable supply of battery waste and want to maximize recovery value, a larger capacity system may be a better long-term investment. Choosing the right recycling line is not about choosing the biggest one. It is about choosing the one that matches your raw materials, business plan, and future goals. If you are interested in starting a lithium battery recycling business or want to know which solution fits your needs, feel free to contact us.